Oh my god. Oh, come out. Too much compacted air. My mom's. Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
Making a video. You gotta see this one.
Hi, Julie.
I got hit in the face with a basket and all the clothes fell on me. Okay, it's bleeding. Oh, sorry. So, we're still here, trying to fold clothes, as you can see. Well, you can't see it now because the camera person can't. Hang on. Ow. Sorry, we're closed on Sundays. I'm gonna push it off. Ready? Why isn't it moving? Wild child. You don't need to see that. Let me just.